Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Now that Christmas is over and everybody's taking down their Christmas decorations, I want to give you a little pointer, something that we had to learn the hard way. Most people, this is just a standard box that you can get at Home Depot or anywhere like that, and this is what a lot of people will store their Christmas lights in. Something that you got to be aware of though is this time of the year, it's raining and your decorations might be wet, or we've got a lot of humidity in our area, and that can cause some buildup of condensation in these boxes. A good tip is in the bottom of these, drill a couple of little small holes, and what that allows is as the Christmas decorations sit in the box over time, these holes, because when you put the lid on, the box is airtight and it's going to be harder to dry out. But if you've got these holes, that water will kind of come down to the bottom because of gravity, and it'll drain out of these holes. If you don't do that and you allow water and condensation to sit in the box with your Christmas decorations, it'll cause rust and corrosion at all the fittings and stuff like that. It'll just take off years of life in your Christmas lights and your other decorations. So that's our tip for the day. If you're using plastic boxes to store your Christmas lights in, drill you a couple of little small holes in the bottom just to allow the water to escape. Hope that helps. If you got any questions, let us know. Y'all have a good day.